The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam. Tak sao pun riulak. Just wow.
Office u District Sports Officer West Gentiles District hakakat artarik nailar arjar fun riu kala Rakhe ya Sngi Kyrpang ki Samla lani ke International Youth Day halor kapang Youth Advancing Multilateral Cooperation Through Technology and Partnership ke balapun long ha Auditorium Hall ke Kyang Nangba Government College Jowai. Hagadi Sngi lawan benishim benta do ba Toy Principal ke Kyang Nangba Government College Komukong San haringkat ke jingadon lang ke kong Linza Fenis im DSO ke West Giant Hills District uba ke so lang DSO West Giant Hills District ki Samla pulien na ki school bat ki college prepare nolor kiwe pan. Lapani po ipiyang yakani ke jingalang da ki jingshat jingruai bat jingtam na ka senra Jowai na ki Samla puli ke Kyang Nangba Government College Jowai nolor kiwe pat. Lapun ko Burom ru ya arngot ki Samla ke district bekentop yo George Don Kupar Gasa bat ka Twinkle Dingdo ki balong ru ka nuksa bula job ya ke jinge ko penisap hapo ka Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program CMYEP.
Mhoy upen kom yelade. Mhoy upen hapo yelade. There are certain parts of life ki wa happy you pun khen yelade tangwakan mo ito ki jet bro ki de ekar panglai kasap katadan imani kita ki jet bro ki man tip bro tip lai. Do you agree with that? Yes or no? We are so blessed compared to the other parts of India. Hey, want you experiencing a flood? Hey, want you experiencing earthquake? Hey, want you experiencing a drought? Hey, want you ever No. Let the im swim kalari im talk kibru kiwa ito kibru kiwa the kurkus kit la. The longbang ni kicing kurku Kyrpang ko de eulai I kan mo ngapi emi bit like komi. We can really stand on our own feet. And when you stand on your own feet, you will be satisfied. Am I right? Lada ukna ke yung tu kriya lai dai kwai kliabu just wrong. Manda yo usan power ka kamenu rai ka tu paisa cha you because his day has been a productive day. Compare kitu kiwa dai diri secret kipli. Of course, smoking is injurious to health, but then they have to earn their livelihood. Banyo lito lithem nang la okay nyo tu kriya ang liday kuway kalin. Hindi, ito ay kami po ito. That is something that we should appreciate. Although the sarkar the ban the child labor, 100, upay ijat bruyong that MHE believe cannot you have struggle. There are many among you who during winters you went to work so that you'll get your admission fee. Am I right? Is that wrong? No, it's not wrong. Your parents send you to work, or maybe you willingly went to work because you feel that you need to earn. And you are making good use of the earnings. Em đi khăn nạ đâu bên này mà chỉ là bùi họ kêu lại school. Vậy nè, và tỏ đăng lịch I don't know about other school, but in my school we are facing that. Hado ada ka exam metric kimpu one join school. Chitiya hadir ka exam metric 1G. Hadir ka exam 12 1G. Because they earn. They went to earn. But only 10 to 15% of them are doing the work. Ngawapi, ikonyonga, lane, wapi, kiwa boiliki, chonga ayu. Ikrumi. Ikrumi kana hai pochuti. Kun hai pet TV, kun hai chat bang bang. Kipli one unique will struggle. We have to think about the other sections of people also, your friends. So don't be proud to say that during winters I went to Delhi, I went to Mumbai, I went to Thailand. Don't proudly say that in front of your friends who don't get the opportunity. For them, we keep Mr. Really your my ambition. But I'll tell you, this is a good start. This is a very good start, in fact. They earn and they learn at the same time. So therefore, the platform is open to all of you. If you feel that you want to earn during your vacation, during your holidays, go ahead.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Rakhe lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya